Tired of the chaos in your workspace? Looking for a way to organize your life with ease? Say hello to Amazon's best label maker machines, your ultimate organization solution. From crafting labels to professional organization, we've got a label maker for every need. Customize labels, declutter your life, and stay productive with these fantastic label makers. It's time to label and conquer. Explore Amazon's best label maker machines collection today. The Phomemo is a budget-friendly label maker with easy-to-read labels. It's perfect for basic labeling needs at home or the office. The Phomemo is a rugged and reliable label maker. It's designed for industrial use and can withstand tough conditions. The DYMO offers a wide range of fonts and label types. It's ideal for crafting and labeling with a clear LCD screen. NELKO Label Manager is a portable and affordable label maker. It's great for creating professional labels and organizing your workspace. The DYMO label maker is known for its easy-to-use interface and a wide variety of label options. It's perfect for home organization and office labeling.